Welcome on the new video. Today we will again look on geometric tolerances and we will look specifically at runout tolerances. In this table you can see the significant ones that are used for circular runout and total runout. This is the symbol. The circular runout tolerance is an area in a plane perpendicular to the base axis bounded by two concentric circles with center lying on the base axis and axially spaced apart by the value of the circular runout tolerance, as you can see in this picture. The tolerance of the circular front runout is limited on a diameter of the tolerated front surface by two circles distant from each other in the axial direction by the tolerance value and lying on the cylinder whose axis is identical to the base straight line B, as you can see in this picture. The tolerance of the total circumferential runout is the difference of the largest and smallest distance of all points of the real surface in the range of the reference section from the base axis, as you can see in this picture. The tolerance of full total runout is the difference of the largest and smallest distance of the points of the frontal surface from the plane perpendicular to the base axis, as you can see in this picture. The full phase runout applies to a planar surface is identical to the tolerance of the position of any surface with respect to the base and the tolerance of perpendicularity, which is recommended to be used preferably in this case, as you can see here. In the case of tolerating a conical surface, it is more appropriate to use the tolerance of any surface, as you can see in this picture. So much for today's video. Thank you for watching. This is the last video dedicated to technical drawings. I will continue to upload various tutorials and similar content in future. So let me know in the comments below what kind of content would you like to see on this channel, and we will see you in the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.